No, I know we keep saying that this is the last part, this is the last episode, and we are going to fill the fluids. Unfortunately, I fell ill in the last video, so was not able to continue all the last clips you would have seen. So, let's crack on, fill this gearbox oil. We've got a new tool for it to make it much easier to do. We have this little pump device, which we're going to pump fluid into the gearbox because it's really annoying to get to on this MR2. And while Lex is putting in a shift, I'm going to get the oil done. Pump tool, super big success. Oil is in the car. The only thing we need to do is bleed the clutch, but we're having some problems with bleeding the clutch, but hopefully by running the car it'll help us out to do that. So we've just got the battery on, and hopefully, fingers crossed, after priming and getting the oil round and the fuel round there. Oh, she's coming to life. Oh, my underglow, I forgot about that. There's so many cool things on this car that I just forgot I have. My LED dash lights. My Pioneer, I've missed it so much. Oh. No, nothing. Nothing. That didn't sound great.
That didn't sound great, did it?
I imagine the battery's not got enough juice, maybe?
Yeah.
Didn't sound great though.
No.
I hope that wasn't the engine locking up. Starter's not going. No starter. Might not be enough power for the starter.
Okay, we'll jump the car. See if that does everything. Everything is definitely connected up, isn't it?
Yeah, but it depends if the starter's connected correctly or not.
Oh no.
Any immediate sparking.
Okay. Only your end.
Yeah, that's not good. I don't think.
Nothing's happening my side.
But is that just because I connected the terminals the wrong way round? Maybe.
Possibly because I took the positive off.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does that anyway, doesn't it? So it's like...
Huh?
Sometimes it just sparks anyway, so it'll be alright.
Yeah. That just popped both. That's probably not good, right?
Yeah, probably not good.
Okay. That's not the best that it didn't start there. she start again now? Will she start okay now? That is super loud, and I can't lie under the car like that when it's running to bleed it.
No way.
So I'm guessing we put the one-way valve on it.
Yeah, try to do it that way.
Underneath while it's running.
Yeah.
Because the pedal's got nothing there.
Yeah, no, there's nothing.
Should we check the fluid that's in the system?
Yeah.
Does it have fluid in there?
Yeah, there's fluid.
There's fluid.
That hasn't gone down since the last time I was here, so.
Right, but when we're pumping it, it's like nothing's.
It's not doing anything.
Reverse before starting. Okay, so gearbox, the clutch is working, the clutch is engaging. I sound surprised, but I think this project's gone on for so long because of work outside of work and everything, that it's like, it's just one of those moments where you've done all this hard work, you don't know if it's going to work or not. And if it doesn't work, you have to take the whole thing apart again. So for brake bleeding, one-way valve, amazing, great job. Clutch bleeding, MR2 clutch bleeding's the worst. Lex's needs doing next. Doesn't it, Lex?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. But she's running, she's moving. Without the car being on the ground, she's moving in and out of gear. So, I think that means what's got to go back on? The exhaust, even though the downpipe piece is absolute, the little mesh is leaking.
Then lower the car back, jack the front up, I can put the front bumper back on properly, and then we can put all the engine and panels on and
hopefully drive her away.
So Chris and I have just put the exhaust back on, and he is
with the last bits of juice in the
no charge.
Sick! That's all we've got, and that's all she wrote, folks. And that's all she wrote. Oh, this one doesn't even fit on here.
Will it fit my side? It's minus 17.
I don't know. Got a squatted MR2 up in this. It's ridiculous how low to the ground, but I'm pretty sure I was running very low. But it's so odd to go to this. But we're just gonna do the front wheels now, and then we should be good to run the car. And I'm missing my air filter, so let's not forget that.
Saw like an angel, to the fire in a dream. Hide your face from the sunrise, as the masses on the scene. In the heat of the battle, they won't see your face. In the kingdom, this is your race. Not here coming, if the team better run. For the anger that drives you, burns bright like the sun. We're born, we live, and then we die. Never question how or when or why. We're born, we live, and then we die. Never question how or when.
So the car is now back on the ground with some issues that we'll sort in a further video, including the front air. And that is the clutch swap. And yes, we do know the tyre's flat. We've just got to put this back piece back on. But besides that, thanks for watching and joining for the clutch series. I think I'll do 3 or 4 parts on it. A couple of them already out. We'll see how long the footage is, but I feel like we started off really well. At least we did well when we spoke about the bits that mattered, and then sort of just nosedived a little bit. But we'll probably do a follow-up video on this at some point. But I hope it was useful. Let us know, and check out our social medias for more content, a little more entertaining than this one.